Let's decode how Bitcoin and Chase Bank interact, separating fact from fiction in under 2 minutes. First, purchasing Bitcoin directly through your Chase account isn't a straightforward process. Chase doesn't offer direct cryptocurrency trading within its platform, so you'll need to use a third-party crypto exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. Fund your exchange account by initiating a transfer from your Chase Bank account. This usually involves linking your bank account to the exchange. Always double-check the exchange's security measures and Chase's daily transfer limits. Understanding Chase's stance is crucial. While not directly involved in crypto sales, Chase acknowledges the space and the underlying blockchain technology, but they also issue cautionary notes about volatility and risks, advising users to proceed with caution. Consider exploring Bitcoin ETFs through Chase's investment services. These ETFs offer indirect exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning the cryptocurrency, making them a regulated and potentially safer avenue if you are looking to invest. To recap, you can't directly buy Bitcoin on Chase, but you can utilize reputable exchanges funded by your Chase account or explore Bitcoin ETFs through Chase's investment platform. Make sure that you do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing. Like and subscribe for all the latest in the world of cryptocurrency and traditional banking.